So for the lateral thighs and IT band, I'm going to roll up and down. Again, we can get some heat in the muscle. And then when we find that tight spot, we're going to hold it 30 seconds. And then if you turn the body sideways on, we can get more into the IT band, even up as high as the TFL. So we get some heat in there first, and then try and find that sore point, tight point, and hold it there. And again, that would be 30 seconds. And we can do that as many times as we need, depending on how many tight areas there are.